Well, hello everyone and welcome to Decorating with Barbara. In today's video, I'll be sharing a haul and I'm also going to share how I styled a few of the items. So typically when I share a haul, I'll share where I picked it up, how much it cost, but today I want to do something a little different. I want to share briefly what I picked up and then I want to share how I plan to use it in my home. And so I think this way is a little bit more informative because this may help you with styling some things around your home. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start with Goodwill first. All right guys, so this first item is a sketch art that I picked up from Goodwill, but it originally came from Target. It's by the Threshold brand. It was $3.99 at Goodwill. And I just thought it was perfect. It had the neutral color palette, which is different. You normally see them in black and white. And I thought it would be a great layering piece against other artwork or just in a bookcase on its own. Do you guys remember this frame that I thrifted and painted? Well, when you buy things that speaks to you, it all comes together no matter whether you bought it the same day or a year later. All right guys, so this is another piece that I picked up from Goodwill on my shopping trip, and this is just a simple little hurricane. And so I've been adding little bits of gold in my decor, and so I thought this would be a nice piece to add to my hurricane collection for the summer. Okay, so this next item is another piece that would be great for a bookcase. And at first glance, when you look at it, it has the red ball feet and maybe it looks a little juvenile, but it reminded me of the Studio McGee piece. Of course, her piece was in a beautiful marble with black ball feet, but I think it will serve the same purpose. It's just something you can place in a bookcase on a stack of books or place beads inside. And so I do plan on painting the feet in black and maybe touching up the inside with a little lighter color tone. But I think that was perfect. The price on this was $3.99. Okay, so these next two items are perfect. I was looking for something to refresh my basement guest bathroom, and I wanted something that I could spray paint in a black, and I just needed it to be a medium size. So I saw this at Goodwill. It was $5.99, and of course the pink tags were 50% off, so I did well with this one. Now I may spray paint the towel bar, I'm not sure, but either way, these will be great additions in the basement guest bathroom. So this next item I found on my second trip around. Before I leave the store, I always make one more trip around in case they put some things out that I didn't see the first time around. And I found this bag of faux fruit, which is perfect. I'm going to style the pears for a summer look. Okay guys, so one of the last items that I'm going to share from Goodwill is this basket. Now I love everything about the basket, the size, the fact that it was wire, you can see through it. All right guys, so For the weekend of the wedding, I had several guests staying at my home, 6 to be exact. And so I wanted to set up a little breakfast station or self-serve station. So I went to Goodwill and I picked up this basket, and it was $5.99. And I thought I would place all of the paper goods inside of here to make it easy for someone to come and serve themselves in the morning for, like a continental breakfast, pastries. We didn't do a lot of cooking that weekend, and this just worked out perfectly. And so this worked out perfectly for us. You can certainly use regular dishes if you like, but paper plates worked out great for us for that weekend. And I set up things for pastry. I did have fruit. I don't have it anymore. But yeah, you can just set up a nice little breakfast area for your guests. And so this way they're not going in your cabinets looking for where things are. You'll just have it all stationed right here in this nice little basket. Okay, so next I found this clock, and you guys may not know, but my grandson really likes clocks, and so I thought this was a nice clock that I could possibly put in his room that we have here at our home. He likes to, he knows how to tell time, but I thought this would be helpful to have the little secondhand numbers going around, and I may spray paint this in black to coordinate a little bit better with his room. Okay guys, so my last Goodwill item is this beautiful dough bowl. Now if you've watched my channel for a while, you may know that I cannot pass up a great dough bowl. And this was so pretty. It's very heavy, and it seemed like it's made of solid wood, and I just thought it was perfect, the perfect shade. Usually I have to bring it home and kind of paint it or do something with it, but this one I thought had the perfect shade of brown, and I just plan on placing some flowers inside, maybe some candles, and placing it on my kitchen table. All right guys, so before I share what I picked up from Hobby Lobby, let me just share these lights that I got from a company called Ollny lights, and they specialize in outdoor lighting of all sorts for your patio lights, Christmas lights, what have you. And I chose the outdoor string lights in a warm white in the vintage bulb. I was sent out the 120-foot length, which gave me the flexibility of wrapping it around my deck, over my table, and then out to my yard. And so they worked out great for our outdoor entertaining for the weekend of the wedding, and I couldn't be more pleased. So thank you to Ollny for sending out the lights. And they are giving you guys a 15% discount if you go ahead and order. Maybe you can get it in time for the holiday, if not this one, the next holiday, and step up your outdoor entertaining experience for your guest. Okay, so what you're looking at is one strand of 120 feet. And so we will revisit this area a little later once I have an opportunity to fully set up the deck for entertaining. Alright guys, so here are a few of the items that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. And I'm going to go ahead and get these things styled. I won't be able to style this picture because I'm going to change the color just slightly, but it was a great price at $2.99. And all of these items except the flowers and the easel I picked up on the 70% off sale. Okay guys, so this is another item that I picked up off the 70% off sale at Hobby Lobby, and I have been watching a piece like this online and it was a lot more than $3. So when I saw it on clearance for $3.49, I went ahead and grabbed it, and I love the way it looked. This artwork I picked up from Hobby Lobby, and I did get it on clearance. It was $19.99. I'm in the process of redoing my grandson's room, and I thought this would be a nice addition. Okay, so this is a little plastic lamp that I got from Hobby Lobby. I thought it might look nice in my grandson's bedroom. Okay, so I don't have a battery for the lamp at the moment, but I think it could be cute. All right, everyone, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my Goodwill and Hobby Lobby finds. And if you are someone who is trying to curate a beautiful home, just remember it does not have to cost a lot of money. You don't have to buy high-end decor and pricey antiques. A curated home is about buying things that you love, that works with your style, and then pull it all together in a cohesive way and make it unique to you. That's it.